Base de quail. Huh? Base de quail. Hello? Hello? Base de quail.
What are they doing to you?
Hello? Charlie, the red Amazon talking parrot. Hello? 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 What's your name? All right. Where are you going? Where are you going? You're gonna have some ketchup? You want ketchup? What do you want? Yeah?
Charlie, say, leave me alone.
How old are you? 12? Oh, you're 20? Have you seen Uncle Charlie anywhere? You have? Where are you at? Huh? Where are you at? What city? Las Vegas? Some people say you look like a dinosaur, Tyrannosaurus Rex, because if you look at your feet, you've got, let me see, 3 feet, just like a dinosaur, right there. The head is like a dinosaur. The remains, the comet, made you small. And then the bird came out. Do you like to eat eggs? You want eggs? Breakfast? Breakfast? Hello. You are so beautiful. You are so beautiful. Give me a kiss.
Say hello, Charlie.
All right.
Get him, Charlie.
All right. Where's the dogs? Where's the dogs?